Wanna learn a language, wanna make friends, wanna find love.
Welcome to Linguado. I'm Stef, and I'm here to show you how to register, verify, and use Linguado in the best possible way to learn languages, to travel, and to make friends. Let's start.
All you need to do is download now. All you gotta do is download Linguado. All you need
Here you can use your gender
to download now.
and set your date of birth.
Wanna make friends, wanna find love.
Here you can choose where you're from. In this part you can choose your native languages. You can have one, and you can choose up to two. Then you should add a photo to your profile.
Download now. What are you waiting for? Click on the link. Download Linguado now.
Next, to verify your account, press on the Open Your Email button. Now that you're a verified user, you can use the Linguado app.
All you gotta do is download Linguado. All you need to do is download now. All you need to do is download now. All you gotta do is download Linguado. All you need to do is download now.